Hi guys, this is Farz and welcome back to Farzzology again, and I am here with a new tutorial. Okay, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create a split screen in Premiere Pro. This is a very easy way to create a beautiful, amazing split screen. So I hope you love this tutorial. Now let's get started. Okay, at first import your video files. I have already imported it and already they are in my video timeline of Premiere Pro. So they are ready to edit right now. Okay, so this is my 3 video files. Okay, now let's rearrange this like this. This one is my top stock or top video, so I am placing it on top of the file. Okay, then I am giving the second video here and the last one. So they are my 3 video files. Okay, that's fine. Then now select the top file and then go to the effects option. You can go from here or you can go also from here to the effects file. I'm going from here, that's easy. And now search here a radial wipe. Look at this, and the radial wipe, this option is under the transition file, the video effects and then transition file, not select the wipe under the wipe folder. Okay, so select the radial wipe and place it on the top video and place it again, that means place it twice. Okay, now come into the effect control option, click on this and drag it down and you will find the 2 radial wipe option. Okay, so now let's let's see how it works. Look at this. Now the second video is coming out. So okay, let's here put actually 50%. Look at this, 50%. It's straight, but we don't want a straight split screen in this time, so I want to little bit experiment with the angle. So look at this, I love this one. So here you can give around, I think this type of thing. I think let's go with 130. So here put angle 130. Now come into the wipe center option and look at this. So I want to place it like this. Oops, press Ctrl and Z to undo. And now I think yeah, this is fine. I think this looks good. Okay, and now come into the second radial option and here again give 50%. That's good. And now let's come to the angle and put here minus 50. Let's see what happens. I think this is fine. Look at this. And now experiment with the wipe center. Look at this. I think now it looks better. Now it looks fine. So there are 3 parts. Okay, let's make it a little bit bigger. Yeah, this is fine. So now look at this. This one, the first part, second part and third part. Okay, so make sure it's looking good. I think this is fine. Okay, so this is done. The basic thing is done. Now select the other 2 video, other 2 stock, and now reposition it like this. So I want this one in this corner, make it a little bit smaller and just reposition it like this. I think this is fine. And now select the second one, actually the third one, and reposition it again like this. And I think now this is fine. This is fine. Let's see. Now I want to add border on this line. Okay, to add the border, select here the pen tool. That's good. And now just click on this area, click on this angle, and now just click on this like this. So now the line is already okay. Let's make it a little bit bigger so you can see. Look at the line. And now here in the effect control option, you will find a vector motion option. Here is the shape 1. Just expand it and unselect the fill and select the stroke. And here you can control the stroke value. So I am going with around 5. Let's see. I think 5 is fine. Okay. Now I want to apply the same stroke here. But if you start clicking like this, look at this. It's a big problem, right? So again press Ctrl and Z to undo. And now select somewhere in the timeline to remove the selection. Now it's gone. Okay. Now again just click on this line and this. Look at this. It's done. It's done. Okay. So now it's okay. It's fine. I think the line looks good. Okay. That's good. So I think it's done. It's looking good. Okay. Let's make it a little bit smaller to find the graphics. Find the two graphics. Okay. So adjust it and make it a little bit bigger like this. And this one little bit smaller and this one little bit smaller also. So I think it's done. Okay, let's see. I think it looks fine. It looks great. The split screen is looking fine. So this is a very easy tricks to create this kind of effect. You can easily create a split screen and make your videos more gorgeous. So I hope you love this tutorial. If you did, hit the like button, leave your comments and don't forget to subscribe.